The secret to tender and flavorful fish lies in this simple Chinese stir-fry technique. Growing up, my mom's cooking would fill the kitchen with the aroma of ginger and spring onions. The fish is always tender and flavorful, and it's never overcooked. Now, I'm sharing her simple recipe with you. Here is what you need: fish fillet, ginger, garlic, spring onions. Let's start with the fish. You can use any firm white fish you like sea bass, grouper, or snapper. I'm using toman or fish head here. Cut your fish up into slices. Not too thinly, about 1 cm thick slices. Fish is more delicate than other meats. We need the fish to be firm enough to stir fry. Next, marinate the fish with salt, pepper, Chinese cooking wine. The Chinese cooking wine here will help remove any fishy smell it might have. But if your fish is fresh enough, there shouldn't be any fishy odor. Give the fish a gentle mix. Add in the corn flour. Mix to coat. Then add in oil and give it a mix again. Make sure that every piece of fish is coated with that oil. Set it aside and we will prepare the other ingredients. Cut your ginger into slices, then into matchsticks. I usually don't peel my ginger. Slice up the garlic. Separate the spring onions into its white and green parts. Split the white parts in half lengthwise. Then cut them into parts. Do the same with the green parts. Let's make the cornstarch slurry by combining corn flour with water. Stir till the corn flour dissolves. Then set this aside as well. Now, to cook the fish. Fill the pan with enough oil to shallow fry all the fish slices. Turn the heat up to medium-high. Before we cook the fish, coat the fish with some more corn flour. To test if the oil is hot enough for frying, dip something wooden into the oil. In this case, it's the chopsticks. If there are bubbles coming off the chopsticks, the oil is hot enough. Gently put the sliced fish into the oil. To prevent overcrowding and lowering the temperature of the oil too much, fry them in small batches. If the slices are stuck together, just give them a gentle wiggle. Fry the fish till they are lightly golden brown. Something like this. When done, remove and turn off the heat. Remove most of the oil, leaving about 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Turn up the heat to medium. Fry the ginger till they are fragrant. This will take about a minute or so. Then, add in the garlic and the white parts of the spring onions. Fry them for another minute. Add in water or chicken stock. Oyster sauce, and light soy sauce, sugar, and pepper. I'm adjusting the color to make it a little darker by adding some dark soy sauce. My dark soy sauce is really dark and really thick, so I'm only adding a little bit of it. Depending on how dark and thick your dark soy sauce is, you will need to eyeball it and just adjust the amount accordingly. Or you can just leave it out altogether. Next, turn up the heat and bring this all to a boil. Give the cornstarch slurry a good stir, as the corn flour would have settled to the bottom of the bowl by now. Add in half of the cornstarch slurry. Give everything a good mix, and the gravy should thicken up in just a few seconds. If it is not thick enough, add more cornstarch slurry. Return the fish slices to the pan. Gently toss to coat. Add some Chinese cooking wine around the sides of the pan. If your pan is hot enough, you should hear the sizzle and smell the fragrance of the Chinese cooking wine. Add in the green parts of the spring onions. Turn off the heat. Then, taste and adjust your seasoning. And that's it. A quick, easy and delicious stir-fry fish fillet with ginger and spring onions that any mom will be proud of. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Check out these other videos for more easy and tasty ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.